If you are interested in playing music in the background of my strong and stretch classes, which I highly recommend, then I'm going to show you how to do that. I never put music in the background because I want you to be able to vibe out to your own music and do whatever's going to make you motivated and excited to move and do your little dance and whatever. So here's how you do it. You are pulling up the actual video, that we're watching, the strong or stretch, whatever it is, and then you can go to whatever music app you use. So if you're using headphones or speakers, it will probably work the same way. I use Apple Music, so I'm pulling up Apple Music. So then you go to the little volume here. So then you can make the volume on the music app more or less. So normally I will turn the music down so that I can hear the cues better for whatever the class is that I'm taking. And Spotify pretty much works the same way. There's a little slider thingy here. So that's basically it. And if you wanted to connect to different devices, like if you were listening on your headphones to me talking, but then wanted to play music on a speaker outside of that, you could do that, but then you would need two different devices. I think probably like maybe playing from the speaker music on your phone and then playing me through a computer or something. And this, like having multiple apps open and changing the volume like this, I think is only gonna work on a laptop. If you're on a phone, you might just have to listen just on the phone to me, and there might not be a way to layer music on top of that, so I'm not sure. But if you know, feel free to let me know, and then I'll tell people and we can spread the wealth, because moving with music is one of life's greatest joys. Happy stretching!